Do you ever feel like you're drowning in housework? You're not alone. Many people struggle to keep up with the never-ending demands of a clean home. Between work, family, and other obligations, finding the time and energy for cleaning can feel impossible. It's easy to get overwhelmed and feel like you're failing. But what if there was a different way? What if cleaning your home didn't have to be a battle? There is a better way. It's time to ditch the guilt and embrace a more compassionate approach to cleaning. Casey Davis, a licensed therapist and author of How to Keep House While Drowning, offers a refreshing perspective on housework. Her approach is not just about cleaning, it's about changing the way we think about our living spaces and ourselves. Davis believes that traditional methods of housekeeping can often be overwhelming and guilt-inducing, especially for those struggling with mental health issues, chronic illness, or simply the demands of everyday life. She advocates for a more compassionate and realistic approach to maintaining our homes. Her approach centers around the idea of compassionate cleaning. This means acknowledging our limitations and working within them, rather than striving for an unattainable ideal. It's about doing what we can, when we can, and being okay with that. Davis encourages us to break tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, and to celebrate our progress no matter how small it may seem. This means treating yourself with kindness and understanding, recognizing that your worth isn't tied to the cleanliness of your home. She emphasizes the importance of self-compassion and self-care in the process of housekeeping. It's okay to ask for help and to take breaks when needed. By shifting our mindset, we can reduce the stress and anxiety often associated with housework. We need to shift our focus from perfection to functionality. Instead of aiming for a picture-perfect home, we should aim for a space that works for us and supports our daily lives. This might mean accepting a bit of clutter if it means we have more time and energy for the things that truly matter to us. It's about finding a balance that allows us to live comfortably and happily in our homes. It's about creating a home that is safe, healthy, and supportive of our well-being. Prioritize tasks that contribute to our overall health and safety, such as keeping the kitchen and bathroom clean, while being more lenient with less critical areas. Try to create cozy and supportive environments that nurture our mental and emotional health. This means letting go of unrealistic expectations and embracing the reality of our lives. It's okay to have a lived-in home, one that reflects the realities of our daily lives, even if it means our homes aren't always spotless. By embracing imperfection, we can create a more relaxed and enjoyable living environment. Our homes are meant to be lived in, not just kept clean. One of the key principles of compassionate cleaning is prioritizing care tasks. These are the essential tasks that directly impact our physical and mental health. Think of them as the foundation for a functioning life. Care tasks include things like eating regular meals and staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, taking care of personal hygiene, and managing medications. These tasks are crucial for our well-being, yet they are often the first to fall by the wayside when we're feeling overwhelmed. Another key strategy recommended in the book is compassionate minimalism. This isn't about living with as few possessions as possible. It's about intentionally curating our belongings to support our well-being and make care tasks easier. For example, if doing the dishes feels overwhelming, consider paring down to a smaller set of dishes. This reduces the number of dishes that pile up, making the task less daunting. The goal is to make caring for ourselves and our homes as easy as possible. Beyond care tasks, compassionate cleaning also emphasizes functional tasks. These are the tasks that keep our homes safe, hygienic, and functional. This includes things like washing dishes, doing laundry, taking out the trash, and cleaning the bathroom. These tasks may not be glamorous, but they are essential for maintaining a livable home environment. The key to managing functional tasks is to avoid letting them pile up into an overwhelming mess, and rather breaking them down to smaller, more manageable steps. When we let things accumulate, it can quickly become daunting and stressful. This is why it's crucial to develop a system that works for you and your household. so you can tackle each task one at a time without feeling overwhelmed. This not only makes the tasks seem less intimidating, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. For example, instead of trying to tackle all the laundry in one day, commit to washing one load a day. This way, you can keep up with the laundry without it becoming a massive chore. Breaking it down into daily tasks makes it more manageable and less time-consuming. Another helpful strategy is the 5 things method. This involves setting a timer for 5 minutes and focusing on putting away just 5 things. It's a quick and easy way to make a noticeable difference in a short amount of time. Set a timer for 5 minutes and focus on putting away just 5 things. This method can be particularly effective when you're feeling overwhelmed by the amount of clutter. You might be surprised by how much you can accomplish in those short bursts of time. These small efforts can add up quickly, leading to a more organized and tidy living space. Remember, the goal is to make these tasks feel less like a burden and more like manageable steps towards a cleaner home. Another tip is to use a planner or a to-do list to keep track of your tasks. Writing down what needs to be done can help you stay organized and ensure that nothing gets forgotten. Plus, there's a certain satisfaction that comes with checking off completed tasks. Don't forget to take breaks and reward yourself for your hard work. Managing functional tasks can be tiring, so it's important to rest and recharge. Taking a short break can help you stay motivated and prevent burnout. By implementing these strategies, you can make managing functional tasks more manageable and less stressful. Remember, the key is to break it down into smaller steps, stay organized, and take it one task at a time. With a little effort and consistency, you can maintain a tidy and organized home. Now, let's talk about optional tasks, going above and beyond. Once you've established a solid routine of care and functional tasks, you can start incorporating optional tasks. These are the tasks that go above and beyond the basics, such as mopping the floors, cleaning windows, organizing closets, and decluttering. Optional tasks are great for when you have extra time and energy, but they should never come at the expense of your well-being. Learn to embrace progress over perfection. Remember, the goal of compassionate cleaning isn't perfection. It's about making progress and creating a home that supports your well-being. Some days, good enough cleaning is more than enough. If you're short on time or energy, focus on the essentials: wiping down counters, loading the dishwasher, or taking out the trash. These small acts of maintenance can make a big difference in how you feel about your home. Remember, compassionate cleaning is about recognizing that life happens. Our homes are lived-in spaces, not showrooms. They reflect the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, the laughter, the tears, and everything in between. It's important to remember that a little mess is a sign of life, not a failure. There will be days when you're sick, exhausted, or simply don't have the energy to tackle a mountain of laundry. And that's okay. Give yourself grace. Release the guilt. Understand that it's perfectly normal to have off days. Your home doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be a place where you feel comfortable and at peace. Focus on what you can do and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, your worth is not determined by the state of your home. Embrace the imperfections and find joy in the little things. Start by choosing one small task today. It doesn't have to be anything grand or time-consuming. The key is to start somewhere, no matter how small. Maybe it's picking up a few items off the floor or wiping down a surface that's been bothering you. Maybe it's putting away 5 things or organizing a small cluttered area. These small actions can make a big difference in how you feel about your space. Wiping down the bathroom sink or loading the dishwasher. These tasks might seem insignificant on their own, but they add up to create a cleaner, more organized home. Every little bit of effort counts. You've got this.